Are you selling your home? Here are 10 tips to speed up your home inspection. 1. Confirm that the water, electrical, and gas services are turned on, including pilot lights. 2. Make sure your pets won't hinder your home inspection. Tell your agent about any pets at home. 3. Replace all burned-out light bulbs, which may suggest an electrical problem. 4. Test all smoke and carbon monoxide detectors and replace any dead batteries. 5. Clean and replace dirty HVAC air filters. They should fit securely. 6. Remove items, debris, and wood that are stored against the foundation both inside and outside the home. These could be cited as conducive conditions for termites. 7. Remove anything blocking access to the HVAC equipment, the electrical service panel, the water heater, the attic, and the basement or crawl space. 8. Unlock any locked areas that I must access, such as the attic door or hatch, the electrical service panel, the door to the basement, and any exterior gates. 9. Trim tree limbs so that they are at least 10 feet away from the roof. Trim any shrubs that are too close to the house and can hide pests or hold moisture against the exterior. 10. Repair or replace any broken or missing items, such as doorknobs, locks or latches, window panes or screens, gutters or downspouts, or chimney caps. Taking care of these tasks before your seller's pre-listing inspection is an investment in selling your property quickly, without any surprises. Contact me today for your inspection. Your real estate agent will thank you.